Plugging too many things into one outlet can overwork us outlets, and it's dangerous. Always ask an adult first before plugging something in. And never stick anything into an outlet that isn't a plug. It can cause sparks resulting in serious burns, even death.
None of this would happen if they used me to help take care of some of that nest of wires. I have extra protection built right in.
Remember, we can only work so hard bringing power to your appliances. If you overwork us, it's not very nice. We could spark or leave you in the dark.
And now it's time for the news. A phantom has been spotted stealing power from this home. Well, what was that noise? There it goes again.
I am the phantom power. I waste energy, and you don't even see me.
We may not be able to see you. Can you tell us more about yourself?
My mission is to waste energy. Doesn't everybody know that most TVs, DVD players, and sound systems use standby power so they can receive a signal from the remote control? And that's not all.
Me too. I'm a transformer. You know those cute little cubes you use to charge your video game or cell phone? You might think all we're doing is charging batteries, but that means we're using electricity the whole time. We use electricity even when the device we're powering isn't turned on. Sometimes I sit charging for days and days without anyone taking notice of me. What a waste.
I wish there was some way we could get rid of that phantom. That way, they can turn us off and save energy when we're not actually working.
Want to switch off that phantom? Plug your chargers into me, kids, and watch him disappear fast. Using my switch will finally let you kids have a rest and keep that phantom away. I'm your computer's best friend, too. Computer? Hey, computer, wake up. You're in sleep mode.
What? What? I'm wide awake and ready to compute. Yeah, that's it.
Talk about a dummy. Even when they put you into sleep mode, you use as much energy as if you were on. When you're finished shutting down your computer, turn off the monitor, the speakers, and the printer all at once by using a power bar. And remember, kids, TVs, chargers, and cell phones use phantom energy even when they aren't turned on. So how can you save energy? Plug them into me and switch me off.
That's right, Power Bar.